Hi, Dennis Ray here. You do not need to pay for a screen recorder when there are some really great free screen recorder software available. Here, in no particular order, are 5 excellent free screen recorders that have no time limits, no watermarks, record in high definition, and record webcam. Most of them offer a choice of video formats, including MP4, have a cursor highlighter, and are easy to use. I've done more in-depth videos on each. There are links in the description for those. Also, there are links where you can download each program. Let's get started. First, we'll start with Flashback Express version 5. Version 5 has been replaced with version 6, but version 5 is a better screen recorder. There is just one source that I found where you can still get version 5. It's in the link in the description below. Flashback Express consists of 2 programs, the screen recorder and its own video player. When you record a video, it will be saved in Flashback Express's own FBR format. Then you open it with a player. In the player, you can move the webcam around where you want it. You can resize it. In the menu, you have a number of changes you can make. For instance, you can crop the video, you can change the cursor highlighter with settings, and down the bottom, save online. Well, this is no longer available for version 5. You can upload it to YouTube. You can export your video and save it on your computer either as a MP4 or AVI or a WMV format. You can make some screenshots from the video. And the one big disadvantage to Flashback Express version 5 is that it's not good for game recording. But be that as it may, I give it 5 ray guns out of 5. Next is Apowersoft Online Screen Recorder. There are actually 2 websites you can use to get it, either a Powersoft site or a Asyncer site, but only use the links I provide in the description below. If you use any other Powersoft or Asyncer site, you will get an online recorder that is different and not as good as the one I'm about to show you. Both sites work exactly the same. The first time you get to the site, hit Start Recording. It will prompt you to download a launch program, which you install to your PC. Then, when you go back to the site and hit Start Recording, the recording program will start. Do not hit Download App. When the program starts, it will look like this. And this has all the features that I mentioned in the intro to this video. And in more, it has settings that we'll take a look at. In settings, you can select what video format you want, and you can select to have a video recording toolbar. The toolbar is what makes Apowersoft Online Screen Recorder unique. You can use it to add shapes, lines, arrows, text, and even dots to your screen recordings. The one disadvantage Apowersoft has, it's not good for game recording, but I still give it 5 ray guns out of 5. Advertising professionals know that if you repeat your message, people will remember it better. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel. One more time, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And a bonus round, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Screen Recorder Pro for Windows 10 is a Windows app you can get at the Microsoft Store, but you can just follow the link I put in the description below. Screen Recorder Pro has all the features I mentioned in the video intro, plus it can make screenshots, can be used for game recording, can make GIF files, and can be used for streaming. I just wanted to point out under the video encoder, you can select what video format you want to use. Also, this is where your settings are at, and there are a number of different configurations available, and on the left side too. Screen Recorder Pro really is a great all-around screen recorder for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. It definitely gets 5 ray guns out of 5. Next is oCam Screen Recorder. Of course, there's a link in the description below where you can get it. It too has all the features I mentioned in the intro, plus it can make screenshots, GIF files. It can be used for game recording and for audio recording. This is where you can select your video formats. It does have one disadvantage. It has advertisements, and this is an ad window, but that doesn't necessarily have to be a big problem. If you move the main window down, that will just hide the advertisements. Its features make it a really great screen recorder, a big 5 ray guns for it too. A video like this wouldn't be complete without mentioning Open Broadcaster software, better known as OBS. OBS is famous for live streaming, but it's a great screen recorder too. It's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. I put a link in the description below where you can download it. What makes OBS so good is its versatility, its many ways to use its settings, but that also makes it overwhelming for people just starting with it, although it doesn't have to be complicated. For new people to OBS, the auto configuration wizard under Tools in the menu is your friend. It will help you set up things for recording. Then you still need to set up scenes and sources. There are many videos in YouTube and information on the internet that will help explain all the details, including my own video. Once everything is set up, you can go to Settings, to Output, and change the video format if you want to, and all the other settings as you get familiar with them. The one disadvantage OBS has is no cursor highlighter, but there are some great highlighters available that can be used with it or any screen recorder. See the link for my video in the description. A huge 5 ray guns for OBS. Those were the best free screen recorders you can get. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.